Okay, Monday morning, let me introduce you to a fresh one here, a fresh weekend arrival. 22 Honda Civic Sport Hatchback, only 44,000 miles. This one is finished in Sonic Gray Pearl. Awesome color on the outside, black interior. It's got the black wheels. It's a hatchback, so it's got lots of space in the back there, but it looks sporty. With the Civic, you know, you get economy, you get a reliability, you get lots of great things. The Civic is a very popular vehicle. Again, only 44,000 miles. This one's going through the service department, 182-point inspection. They check it out from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. They make sure that the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to specification so they can back it with that certified warranty. That warranty is good at any Honda dealership in the United States. At Victory Honda of Plymouth, we make sure that you get 2 keys with every used vehicle purchase. You get 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations, complimentary maintenance, books, records, Carfax, you name it, you're going to get it. Rest assured, you're getting a great quality pre-owned vehicle that is ready to go. We're going to detail it inside and out. Let me just show you the interior here real quick. This one's available today, Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Let me just show you there, 44,880 miles. Infotainment system, shifter. Again, we're going to detail it inside and out, but it's a fresh arrival. These things don't last long, so we like to get them, up there so you can see it. Do this video so you can check it out. Come see it today. We appreciate you looking, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.